Everything comes alive under my beautiful lights. I made those blinding lights. It's only natural that my beautiful lights are so popular. Yes! Having trouble seeing? Why do people love to buy from me? This is a business secret. My lights are more than just illuminations. Light art is wonderful. I invented my products with my unique gift, fair and square. Careful with my lights, clumsy oaf! I'm peculiar about lamps, lanterns, and all other types of lights. Only my lights shine this brilliantly. It's a limited edition. Don't touch it if you can't afford it. Welcome to my light shop. Not many have the power of light, and I'm the only one to earn a living by it. Fancy my goods? Well, who doesn't? There's no exchange if you break any of them. My products are famed for their consistently fine quality. This isn't about marketing strategies. When the bulbs shatter, the lights go out. I'm glad to light up your funeral. Light up! Brilliance! Bulb attack! Spark! Even brighter! Radiant! Welban Koryamban! Vidalin Kosunyan Kosil! Il Kochong Shunmin!